left my mother-in-law's house. Can't believe I've been there 2 weeks. Headed out, gonna get on 97. Highway 97, I head towards La Pine. Still really, really smoky. But I sort of kind of just want to go home since I'm not able to travel and camp. Very smoky. Not that going home is going to be any less smoky. From what I understand, the smoke in California is just as bad. Anyway, alright, I'm going to pay attention to my driving.
Main menu. What city in United States?
La Pine, Oregon.
Select a line number.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes. Left.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on US 97. In 1/2 mile, turn right on US 97.
Goodness. Alright, I'm going to turn this off so I can drive. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Made it to La Pine, and I'm amazed. Look at these blue skies. What is it, like an hour from here to Redmond? And in Redmond you can't see a blue sky. It's all smoky. So yeah, lucky me. Anyway, I will probably be here for a week or so. I'm in no hurry to get back to California. I mean, I'd like to go home, but it's too smoky, and there's things I can do and see around here. So I'm going to stay here for that while. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to go find me some dinner, and I'll talk with you next time. Bye. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the little bell so that you get notified when I post my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.